Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel we're focused on helping the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. In this video we're going to be exploring an application which I haven't really seen being discussed on YouTube yet, and that's why I'm making the video today. I'm actually recording this video the same day it's going out, so you lot get the inside scoop so you do not miss out on this online earning opportunity. As the title indicates, we'll be exploring the passive earning application known as THX, or THX. It's an excellent opportunity for anyone with a phone where you can earn passively. I've actually left a link in the description to actually download the application. Let's dive right in. THX enables you to earn rewards both actively and passively on their application on your phone. All you need to do is download the application, create an account, and you'll start to earn totally passive. So first I want to explore the active methods of earning on the platform. So as you can imagine, there is surveys available. These are totally bespoke to the platform. There's also a chat feature, which is currently unavailable. And finally, there is profile questions. First off, whenever you actually get into the application, prioritize completing these profile questions. You'll earn around £3 for just doing that. Literally a few seconds and you'll earn £3 straight away. That's going to get you on your way to getting that first voucher. So now let's actually dive into the passive earning opportunities on THX. So by granting access to your microphone and your location data, you can earn points totally passively every single hour. So 10 points is 1p, and typically you will earn around 2p per hour from microphone access and 10p per hour based on your location data. Very similar to Google Opinions. There may be times where you don't want to actually use the application and you want to keep things hidden. Simply force close the application and it will not track you.
Okay, that's very easy.
And if you want to reactivate it, log back into the application. If you want to do the absolute minimum on the application, I would suggest running it on an evening or when you're in bed, so you're actually getting that passive income when you sleep. It's that easy. In just 2 days, I've earned £5.04 from the application. If I exclude the profile questions, I'm generating on average £1.02 per day in passive income with THX. When you are ready to cash out, THX offers a wide variety of different payment options, such as Apple and Amazon gift cards. I personally recommend choosing Amazon, and in this example I will do. So I selected the desired gift card I want, I verified my phone number within the application, and then within minutes, I received the Amazon gift card within my emails. It's that good. Honestly, this application is next level. THX is a great application for anyone. Whether you're a seasoned veteran when it comes to earning online, or whether you're a newbie, it is one of those applications which can get you started to earn some easy passive income. The potential to earn over £1 a day with minimal effort is remarkable, and that will account to around £350 a year by doing no work. As previously mentioned, I've actually left a link to THX in the description below for you to sign up. Thank you for watching this video. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.